In this video, I'll show you how to remove a Grindr ban. If you've been banned on your Grindr account, like posting too much or spamming, when Grindr bans you, they block your IP address, and to get around this, you can switch to a different Wi-Fi network or use your mobile data. If that doesn't work, try installing a VPN or virtual private network. I recommend Proton VPN, which is free. It changes your location by connecting you through a different server, allowing you to log back into Grindr. That's it. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.